Hi, everyone. I want to show you today a single hand reflex point that might help with reducing stress and trying to relax. It's the solar plexus reflex point, and the way we find it is first recognize the area that is the more fleshy part of your hand. I call that the ball of the hand, like the ball of the foot. And when you see where your hands, where it slides down, we're going to slide down between the two middle fingers. Okay, just feel where the point is that your finger just drops, and we're just going to put our thumb there. We don't even need to press. All we want to do is feel that point so that we can concentrate on it. So I'm holding my hand here, but you could just lay it down. We want to relax. So let your hand lay down on your lap. And just holding that point without pressing, what we're going to do is just going to do a couple of breaths. We're going to breathe in through our nose and breathe out through the mouth. Do it again. Breathe in and let your shoulders come down as you breathe out. Another time, breathe in. You can close your eyes if you like. Breathe in. Okay, we're going to do the same thing on the other hand. We're going to find that area between our two fingers, our middle fingers, slide down where it falls over the fleshy point. I put my thumb, that's the solar plexus reflex. Let your hand relax on your lap. And again, take a breath in through your nose and breathe out. And again, breathe in. And as you breathe out, think of all those things that are bothering you. Breathe in. Just release it. Breathe in and out. Now, that's a point that you can do whatever time you have for. If you only have 20 seconds, do 10 seconds on each hand. If you have a minute, do more. You don't need to press a point. You just kind of have to signal your body where you're touching it, and it'll remind you that, okay, I need to relax now. The more you do this, the easier it is to just touch that point of the solar plexus, and you'll immediately say, okay, I'm going to take a time out and relax. May you all be well. Bye-bye.